Welcome to Sarasas Samulsan School. This is Science Matayam 1, and my name is Teacher Carla Circulado. Okay, before we start our lesson, let's first read our vocabulary words. So please listen carefully as I read the first set of words. Carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide. Ovary, ovary. Anchor, anchor. Now repeat after me. Carbon dioxide, ovary, anchor. Very good. Now listen again as I read the second set of words. Conifer, conifer. Pollen, pollen. Pest, pest. Now repeat after me. Conifer, pollen, pest. Very good. Now listen again as I read the third and last set of words. Transport, transport. Nourish, nourish. Nutrient, nutrient. Now repeat after me. Transport, nourish, nutrient. Very good. Okay, now let's do our dictation of 3 words. Please bring out one piece of paper or your notebook and write activity number, the date, the month, and the year. Now let's begin. Number 1, spell the word conifer. Spell conifer. Number 2, spell the word pollen. Number 2, spell the word pollen. And number 3, spell the word nourish. Number 3, nourish. Okay, now let's check your answers. Please bring your red pen. If your answer is correct, please put 1. If your answer is incorrect, please copy the correct answer. Okay, let's read together. Number 1, conifer. C-O-N-I-F-E-R. Conifer. Number 2, pollen. P-O-L-L-E-N. Pollen. Number 3, nourish. N-O-U-R-I-S-H. Nourish. Very good. Okay, now let's move on to our topic for today, which is in Unit 1, Plants. Please bring out your books and turn to page 5. Okay, so last week, we already talked about some of the parts of the plants and their function. Okay, last week we talked about the root, and today we will start talking about the others. Okay, let's start with stems. Okay, repeat after me, everybody. Stems bear the leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits of the plant. this is the stem, okay? This is still stem up to here, and the branches as well. Okay, these are all parts of the stem. Okay, so the stem bears the plants. Okay, they're the one growing the plants. They're also growing the flower, the buds also, and the fruit. Okay, as you can see here, this stem is growing leaves. Okay, that's why it bears. Okay, next, hold the leaves up to get air and enough sunlight. Okay, so the stem can go higher up so it can get enough sunlight and air for the leaves. Okay, so the stem can go up higher to receive sunlight and to have enough air. Okay, next. Okay, stems transport food and water throughout the plant. Okay, this is the plant. So the stem is the one giving or transporting food and water throughout the plant or to the whole plant. Okay, they're the one responsible for transporting or bringing the food and the water. Next, every stem and branch consists of vascular bundles. Okay, everybody repeat after me. Vascular bundles. Very good. So when you cut the stem, okay, each stem consists of vascular bundles. Okay, these are the vascular bundles. Okay, so each bundles, they have two sets of tiny tubes. Okay, two sets of tiny tubes. Okay, so inside is what we call xylem. Everybody repeat after me, xylem. Very good. And the next one, the outer part, is called phloem. Everybody, phloem. Okay, very good. So, the vascular bundle and its tiny tube is part of the process of transport, okay, or bringing the food to the plants. So, let's talk about xylem first. Follow the red arrows, okay? So, xylem transports water and mineral from the roots. Okay, so from roots, xylem get the water and mineral from here and they will bring up to the plants. Okay, as you can see on the red, they will bring the water and the mineral from the roots. Okay, next, phloem transports sugar from the leaves. Okay, so they make the sugar here from the leaves by means of photosynthesis. They will make the sugar here, and phloem will bring the sugar to the roots, to the other stem, and to the other leaves, to the flower and fruit. Okay? Okay, I hope you understand. Now let's move on to the next slide. Okay. Stems can store a large amount of food in some plants. Okay, so they can store a large amount of food. Okay, repeat after me. Here's are some examples. Cactus, ginger, sugarcane. Very good. So these examples of plants can keep or can store large or many food in their stems. Okay? Next. Now let's move on to leaves. Everybody repeat after me. Leaves. Very good. Okay. Now read after me. Leaves produce food by way of photosynthesis using their chlorophyll, which is usually green to absorb sunlight. Very good. So the leaves produce or make food, and the process is called photosynthesis. Okay? So photosynthesis also use chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment in the leaf. Okay? It will absorb the sunlight to make the food. Okay? We will talk about more photosynthesis and chlorophyll on the next topic. Okay? Next, veins transport food and water to branches and stems. Okay, let's see first the parts of the veins or of the leaf. Okay, everybody repeat after me. Veins. Very good. So the vein, as you can see in the leaf example, are the white lines. Okay, that's what you call veins. So it says that the veins is the one transporting or bringing the water and the food to its branches. Okay, it's bringing food and water. Okay, next everybody repeat after me. Leaf stalk. Okay, this is the leaf stalk. Next, everybody, leaf blade. Okay, so this part, the green part, are called leaf blade. Okay, next. Okay, everybody, repeat after me. Stomata, leaves, air holes. Very good. So this is the leaf. We cannot see it through our naked eye, but if we look closely or with the use of microscope, we can see that the leaf has an air hole. It's called stomata. Okay? So it can exchange gases and it can release excess water. Okay? The stomata is the air holes or pores from the leaves. Okay? Okay, now let's do our exercise. Bring out your notebook and write the activity as it follows. We will do multiple choice. You can choose the best answer by choosing the correct letter. Okay, number 1. Which part of the plant transport food and water throughout the plant? Which part of the plant transport food and water throughout the plant? A. Flowers, B. Seeds, C. Stems. Number 2. Which part of the plant produce food by way of photosynthesis using their chlorophyll? Number 2. Which part of the plant produce food by the way of photosynthesis using their chlorophyll? A. Flower, B. Leaves, C. Stems. And number 3. Leaves transport food and water to the plant's branches and stem through their A. Veins, B. Leaf, C. Stems. Number 4. Which of these plants can store large amount of food? A. Papaya, B. Tomato, C. Ginger. Number 5. What do you call the pores, air holes, where plants release excess water? A. Leaf blade, B. Veins, C. Stomata. Okay, you can repeat the questions, okay? Now let's do our summary. We talk about the stems, transport food, the vascular bundles, the leaves, and stomata. Okay, so hope you understand everybody. Thank you for listening. Just a reminder, see you again soon guys. Bye.